Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to keep your Android screen always on. We all know that most Android device has limitation in this aspect. In my case here, I can only set it to 10 minutes. So if you want to keep your Android screen always on, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. First of all, you have to install this app called Screen On. It's available on Play Store. I'm also going to put the link in the description. When you open it, you're going to have three options here. What you have to choose is the last option, the third option, which has the infinite icon. When you click on it for the first time, it's going to ask you for some permission. So you enable the permission, and at this point your screen won't turn off. If you slide down your notification shade, you're going to see it there. It says always keep screen on. So that's how you keep your screen always on your Android device. That'll be all for this quick video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.